Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create your own file server using Ubuntu Linux and ownCloud. This setup will allow you to store, manage and access your files securely from your own system. And that's not all. By the end of this video I will show you how to access your local file server from anywhere in the world using the internet. So make sure to follow this video step by step and let's get started. So at first we have to change the IP address, means automatic to manual. For that I have to go to the network setting, and after that I have to click on IPv4 address and type the manual IP address. Also change the DNS. Already I have 8.8.8 and 4.4.4 which is Google DNS. So I will add one more DNS which is Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. And next we'll open the terminal. On terminal, you just need to type sudo space apt space update, then sudo space apt space upgrade -y. So this will help you to update and upgrade your Ubuntu system. Next we are going to install Apache and MariaDB. Okay, for that you need to type sudo space apt space install space Apache 2 space MariaDB -server space unzip, then we get -y. So as we are going to install ownCloud, so it's required PHP version 7.4. So for that I will install the PHP version 7.4. So for that you need to type sudo space apt space install space software properties common -y. Then you need to add the repository and then type sudo space apt space update. So don't worry, I will give you all this command to my video description. You can copy paste from there. After that you need to type the PHP 7.4 installation command and press enter. Now you need to switch PHP version to 7.4. For that you need to type one by one this command. Lastly, you need to restart the Apache. To verify your PHP version, you need to type PHP space -v and it will show you the PHP version. In my case it is 7.4. Now I have to set up the database, so I'll type sudo space MySQL. After type the create database ownCloud, the database name is ownCloud. Here, as you can see, ownCloud user is my username and the nimda@777 is my password. So make sure that you write down this data, means your user ID and password, to your notepad or anywhere else. Lastly, type flash privileges and then exit. Now you have to download ownCloud. For that, I just need to go to under /var/www. After that, I have to type the command to download ownCloud. Sudo space wget, then the link of ownCloud. Next, we have to extract the ownCloud tar file. Next, we'll change the ownership. For that, we have to use chown command and chmod command one by one. Now I have to create Apache config file. For that, I have to type sudo space nano space /etc apache, then site availables and /ownCloud.conf. On server name, you have to replace with your local IP address. In my case, it is 10.10.10.197. To save changes, you need to press Ctrl+O from your keyboard, and after that press enter, then press Ctrl+X to exit this window. Next, we have to enable the site and modules. For that, you need to type one by one this command. And now we'll open the firewall. For that, we have to type sudo space ufw allow 80, means 80 port will allow through this command, and also allow 443. Now I'll open my browser and check with this IP the ownCloud is working or not. Now after open ownCloud login page, it will show you to set the username and password. So you have to type any username and then password. Make sure that you have remembered that one. And also database user, which I have already created, which is ownCloud, and the database user and database name and database password I have already set during MySQL setup. Once done, click on Finish Setup. So now I'll show you how to access this file server from outside of your local network. That means from anywhere on the internet. For this, we will use Cloudflare Tunnel, which is one of the best and most secure method to expose your local server without opening ports on your router. If you want to follow along, you will need a domain. You can either buy a domain from providers like GoDaddy, or use a free domain or subdomain. You can search on Google for free domain providers. In my case, I already have a domain on GoDaddy called floatro.in, so I'll use that one. First, go to your Cloudflare account and add your domain. Then update your domain name server in GoDaddy in my case. In your case, if you are taking the domain from any other website, you have to update that name server on that website. After that, replace them with the name server provided by Cloudflare. So this will route all your DNS traffic through Cloudflare. Once the DNS updated, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and open your domain. In my case, it is Floatro. Go to DNS section. Now using Cloudflare Tunnel, you can connect your local server to Cloudflare, and Cloudflare securely expose your website to the internet. So follow my steps. So firstly, you need to open terminal on your Ubuntu machine, and after that put the wget command to download Cloudflare. After download done, you need to put the installation command. So I'll put over here ls command to check the Cloudflare is downloaded successfully or not. And now I'll type sudo space dpkg space -i then space Cloudflare dev file name, and after that it will automatically install on my Ubuntu Linux machine. And now I'll open Cloudflare dashboard, and after that on terminal I will type Cloudflare space tunnel space login. And now click on your domain name and click on authorize. Now as you can see, it is successfully created. And now I'll create a tunnel. For that I have to type Cloudflare space tunnel space creates then tunnel name. In my case it is ownCloud. So now as you can see, tunnel is created successfully with the ID of this. So make sure that you have copied this ID to your notepad or text editor. Okay. Now if I type ls command with Cloudflare, as you can see, the JSON file is created successfully. Now copy this tunnel credential written to that JSON file location and paste it to your notepad. After that, create a directory under etc Cloudflare. So the command will be sudo space mkdir space -p space /etc Cloudflare. Then edit config.yml file. So you need to type sudo nano space etc Cloudflare and config.yml. I will give you one command, means code. You need to paste that to your notepad first, then change with your tunnel and credential location, which I have already saved on my notepad. Also make sure that replace with your local IP, which is in my case 10.10.10.197. Once done, you need to type the command called Cloudflare space tunnel space route space DNS, then your tunnel name, which is in my case ownCloud, and after that your domain name. Lastly, you need to type the command is called Cloudflare space tunnel space run space your tunnel name, which is in my case ownCloud, and after that press enter. Now if I'll open float2.in, my domain, as you can see the ownCloud login page is showing. Also, if you are facing the ownCloud untrusted domain issue, then I will show you guys how to fix that issue. Simply open your terminal, type sudo space nano space /var /www/owncloud/config then /config.php. Now you need to add under trusted domain your domain name. So you need to add one by one like me. And after that, to save changes, you need to press Ctrl+O, and after that press enter, then Ctrl+X to exit this window. If still you are facing any issues with Cloudflare Tunnel configuration, don't worry, in my previous video I have already explained the complete setup step by step. You can find the link in the video description below. Once you open that video, go to the timestamp shown on your screen. From there you will directly see how to configure and install Cloudflare Tunnel properly. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.